What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? I'm out at the skate park. It looks like it's about to rain, so what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna waste any time. I'm gonna sit down the camera for you guys and I'm gonna get some clips before it starts to rain. There might be a little bit of fingerboarding in this episode if it rains out on me. We'll see. Let's see what we can do. Alright, so like I figured, right as I started to go and skateboard, it rained. I don't know if you can see that. Now the ramps are all wet. But let's not let that stop us until it starts getting too much. Let's just do some board slides real quick. Let's get it. Alright guys, I'm about to head out of here. I don't want to ruin my camera. I'm hiding behind the ramp so it don't get super wet. Let's dip. Let's dip. I'm going to do some fingerboarding for you guys. See you guys when I'm at home. Alright, you guys still in there? Alright, so I'm back at the house. I went into my garage just so I didn't leave you guys completely hanging on the skateboarding. I'm going to do some flat ground in here and then we'll go back inside and do some fingerboarding when I get the chance. Alright guys, let's get to it. I'm going to tie my shoe. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Hate heel flips. Alright, so Mickey got me a Panera bread bowl and some broccoli and cheddar. She got me a Panera bread bowl and broccoli and cheddar soup. So I'm gonna eat that and then we're gonna get back to skating. That was super sweet of her to do that. So thank you, Mickey, if you watched this video. For real, thank you. I know I told you in the house, but thank you again. Oh, it's like not even cut out. You gotta pull your own top out. I love this soup. Do you guys love this soup? Tell me. Maybe I'll put a poll up on top. What do you guys love to get from Panera? Or do you guys hate Panera? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Do you guys like Panera?
Now. 346 minutes later. A few minutes later.
Ah, I'm fucking done. I can't do it. Alright guys, I literally been trying that for like an hour and a half straight. I'm fucking beat. I will land that another time for you guys. I apologize I couldn't land it this time. I have to run and go get something for Mickey for dinner. I'm gonna do that, and then when I come back we'll do some of that fingerboarding. Much love guys. Alright, I'm not happy I didn't land that tray flip, so it stopped raining for a little bit and I'm back at the skate park fingerboarding for a little while. We're gonna just try to get a little bit more tricks for you guys. I apologize I didn't land that. Oh fuck. Yeah. Wow guys, that was my first nose grind. That felt really good to land. Felt really, really good. Alright, I think that's all the skateboarding tricks I'm going to get tonight. Let's do some fingerboarding. Alright, so before we do some fingerboarding, I'm going to show you the new ramps that I got. I got this new ramp. It was a cheap little tech deck one, you know what I mean? And then I got a Black River box that I never showed you guys the unboxing for, so let's roll those clips right now. What's up guys? So today we got another package opening, and today it's going to be from Flatface, you guys. So it's another fingerboard opening, and I'm pretty excited about this one. Ooh, I can already see the wood in here. Ooh, look at that. So we got the box number 1 from Black River. Pretty freaking awesome. I have to say it's pretty awesome. It's all level. Like the coping and the wood is level. That's pretty freaking nice. It's got non-sliders on the bottom already and stamps. It says handmade in Germany on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that because of the lighting in here. I'll get better shots in a second. Got the stamp right there. See if it non-slides. Oh yeah, that's not going nowhere. That's tight. Okay, let's see what else is in here, guys. They always throw in stickers and shit. What's this? This looks like, I don't think this is a sticker, is it? Okay, it is a sticker. Wow. It's like cats and Flatface sign. Another sticker, a guy's chin turning into a skateboard. Really weird. That's strange. Flatface around the side. See if there's any of that, I guess. Nope, just 2 stickers, you guys. So it's 2 stickers in the box. That's pretty awesome, though. All right, let's get some sexy pics. Yeah, that box is super sick. But anyways, let's get some clips in. Alright guys, I think that's going to wrap it up for today's video. I got a little bit of skateboarding in, I got a little bit of fingerboarding in. I hope everybody enjoyed it. It has been raining quite a bit the last couple days, so I hope we have a little bit of dry weather in the near future so I can get a better video in for you guys. Much love. We'll see you guys next time. Keep on killing it.